Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use an Instagram Stories layout feature to make a photo collage. An Instagram layout feature lets you include multiple photos in a single story. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or click on your story in the upper left corner. Once the Stories camera opens, hit the layout icon on the left-hand side of the screen. After that, choose a collage layout you want to use. Keep in mind that you may select to add from 2 to 6 images in your collage. When a layout is selected, start adding pictures. There are two options how you can do it. You may take and insert photos by pressing on the button, or you may also upload images from your camera roll by hitting the gallery icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once a collage is ready, hit the checkmark button. Now you can edit your collage by using filters, inserting stickers, writing or drawing something. The only thing left to do is to upload your collage. So tap the Send To button and share your story post. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an Instagram Stories layout feature to make a photo collage. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.